thought the door was completely closed, but now it's kind of exciting that I can still be in aviation and keep learning, and it's affordable and a lot more accessible.
Cypress was actually the first college to have an approved 107 program, and as a Part 107 drone operator, there's a lot of things that you can do with a drone that we could never do before.
First, it's fun to fly drones, and second, the future's going that way. There's plenty of jobs out there for flying drones, and it's wide open. It's a lot of things out there that can be done.
The opportunities that we have in the drone world are growing, and we're continually feeding the program with new equipment, and we're bringing in more students.
When I got in an accident, I kind of thought like, oh, well, I can't do that anymore. Because maybe I can't fly planes, but now I can fly drones, and I'm kind of keeping up and learning how it's changing, and it's a lot of fun. At Cypress College, we take this journey together.